Alright boys, what is good? We are back tonight. I did not catch any trades this morning through the Asian session. I saw took a little mock trade on EU, caught a little win off of this short position here, just on paper trading because obviously mainly, I trade mainly GJ. So coming into tonight, we are. Oh, let me turn that down. Okay, so coming into tonight, we're printing bullish structure on the 1 hour time frame, and it looks like we were targeting these highs up here. We failed to actually come up and take out this 4 hour high. So realistically, it's quite an easy draw on liquidity. I've also marked out this center of a 4 hour imbalance, which is over here. So it's obviously an imbalance from a long way away. I'd say it's a news reaction because that is a massive bearish candlestick. But that is another potential draw for the day. At the moment, we're sitting inside of this bullish 1 hour fair value gap. Now, I'm in two minds today because obviously we have these relative equal highs up here. We've already come and sort of swept like half of them, but I would like to see these relative highs from here and here get taken out, and then I can actually count that as a liquidity sweep. Now for me, I think that the ideal move for me today would be a short off of these highs down to take out these lows. Now, whether we get that or whether we just keep printing this bullish structure that we have been for the past few days, that's a different story, and I'm not sure about that. However, I could either catch a long off of this 1 hour fair value gap and take longs up just a one and done up to these highs. Realistically, it's probably not going to be the best risk to reward play that I could find. However, it's just an option of what I could potentially take today. And ideally for me, I would love to try and catch a short from these 4 hour highs up here. Whether we get that or not, like that would mean that this low that we've just created now would be a draw on liquidity for the day, as well as these relative lows down here. That's sort of where my mind's at today for this session. Obviously, you're going to have to let that play out if I am looking for shorts, but I'm currently sitting in a position on gold. Don't usually trade gold, but sort of been more open lately to trading. I'm probably going to have to shut this up so I can take profits, but I'm going to start being more open with what pairs I'm trading at the moment. I've been limiting myself to strictly GJ, and if I'm being honest, sometimes GJ just doesn't move the best. That's no secret it's just typical for Forex. Obviously, futures, people strictly trade NASDAQ and ES. But yeah, today, so a really clean setup on gold. We had a 4 hour liquidity sweep, a 15-minute break of, not a break of structure, inverse fair value gap, creating this big bullish fair value gap, and I just took a long off a break of structure coming out of this fair value gap on the 5-minute time frame. Close stops and just targeting all this resting liquidity. To me, this is an absolute no-brainer. Look how much generated liquidity we have here. I mean, that to me is the perfect looking long setup. So anyways, that's what I'm sitting in at the moment. I obviously didn't de-risked because I haven't done the full data collection process that I have for GJ on gold. But yeah, that is exactly what I'm looking at today. So obviously I'm just going to leave that run bullish on gold. And GJ, in terms of this, I'm just going to see, potentially we see a break of structure of this high and then a retracement, and then I'll be happy to take longs, or else I'm looking for something along the lines of up here and dumpies. But see what happens. Good luck on the charts tonight, boys, and yeah, peace out.